Today we got a couple of airdrop claims that you can go ahead and check out right now. So first of all, go into the airdrop Excel guide on the link down below in the description and click on the claims tab. We got the new Jupiter ACR rewards, where if you are a staker of JUP, you are getting per quarter a big piece of Jupiter. I was eligible for the previous period, July to September. I unstaked all of my JUP back in September and I got about 190 JUP staked, and I'm in the process of unstaking them. I will be selling them. My price targets for JUP have been set to around $0.3 per Jupiter, and I will probably buy after Jupiter rewards in March 2026. So quite far away from now, and I've got 29 more days till I will be able to unstake. So make sure to go and check that out. Also, we've got claims for the invariant token. This is one of the last projects to tokenize inside Eclipse. I was able to claim a big piece of invariant that is valued very, very low. In general, it was a huge loss for me. In general, the Eclipse ecosystem lost me over $2,000 to $3,000. So just make sure that you claim your funds across all of these airdrops and make sure to rotate into the airdrops I've been covering lately, which should probably be super profitable for us. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I have been covering perpetual dexes in the past few days, and these are the best airdrops you can farm by quite a mile. And actually, my targets on all of them right now are profitable, meaning I would highly suggest that you farm at least Lighter, Pacifica, and Extended. And if you've got even more funds, Ajax, Based, and Hyperliquid are amazing targets. One target that I really like, but I don't know if it's going to be insane, is Apex. And I think also the new season from ASTER is going to be super, super great. So in general, try to participate in perpetual dexes. I've got a tab here, but that's exactly what I'm doing with all of the funds. We got also Hyperlane airdrop here. You can just check using your EVM address if you're eligible. So copy your address, check eligibility. Sadly, I'm not eligible, but you will find it also on the claims tab just in case you're eligible. HUMA also did their part 2 claim for the HUMA token. So you can go ahead and claim it until October 26th. So that was also a very good liquidity boost that I will be using inside Pacifica specifically. I'm already doing an insane amount of volume in this platform and I'm very, very bullish on it. So the next thing and the final one is the all domains claim. This was again another Eclipse / Solana / Monad airdrop. I got these tokens from, all domains. In general, a very bad token, a very bad experience. In general, I was not in a loss in this, but really there's not value in the token. And also it's a little scary because it's also seen as a honeypot. So I'm really not interested in doing any kind of swap until Jupiter verifies or validates it. So I'm just keeping it. It dumped 80% in less than 2 hours. So really, I don't know what to tell about it. We might see some kind of crime chart happening soon, but for now, I'm not touching it. I'm not selling, I'm not buying, I'm not doing anything. I'm just waiting to see what happens with this. But yeah, this was another insane bullshit project from Eclipse. So yeah, in general, these airdrops not very good. Also Fragmetric, Avantis, NX Finance is also claimable very soon, Mitosis. And we also get the Meteora airdrop on October 17th in about 9 days. I will cover it, show you all of the info. So a lot of people tell me, okay, Airo, you got 5 claims. One of them you were not eligible for. The other 4 are pretty minor, pretty small. What are you doing? So guys, what I'm doing is very, very simple. First of all, I make sure to claim all of my airdrops so I don't lose their value. Even $10, even $20 in airdrop value is super important for the airdrops we're farming. Like on Lighter, with these funds, you could literally 10x your returns. On Pacifica, you can get 5 to 10x returns on your funds. Extended, all of these airdrops, are important because they give us very good multipliers in terms of the fees we spend. So even though my airdrops in total were about $150, at least these 5 airdrops, I can turn these $150 to potentially $1,000 or $500, making my total participation at least positive. And this is something that I've been clear about in the past few days. I'm here all in into perpetual dexes. I've covered them on the channel in huge depth. Like I don't really know what else to show you guys. I mean, I've made so many videos about this. I'm so bullish, so bullish on this. Like I've been showing you ASTER, I've been showing you Hyperliquid and Based, I've been showing you, Pacifica Extended, I've been showing you all of these different airdrops and the potential value behind these that I really don't know what to do anymore. I literally shown you everything I know about perpetuals in the past like 15 days. If you still don't take action, if you still don't farm this, I don't know, you're going to lose. That's the way it is. It's fine by me. More funds for me, more returns for me, more airdrops for me. But guys, I've covered everything in very much detail. I still keep pushing videos for other protocols. For example, I showed you here Base. Previously, I showed you how you can farm. I don't remember what it is. I think it's, the Hyperliquid EVM here with a huge amount of passive income. Same here with PRJX and Upheaval. I also cover Solana, for example, high-low airdrop Ratex. And I'm also dropping a video about Solana airdrops. Probably you've seen it already, actually, if you see this video for the claims. So yeah, in general, there are so many opportunities, but the most obvious ones is farming perpetual dexes. I know airdrops have been disappointing, and that's why it's important for us to rotate our funds, our eyes into potentially better targets. And perpetuals is exactly what I have been looking for. Perpetuals are exactly what I feel is the product market fit of crypto, because they have tremendous revenue, they can do buybacks, their token holds a lot of value due to the buybacks and the whole revenue thingy. And really, I've never seen in the past few months, I have yet to see a bad perpetual airdrop up till now. And there are so many opportunities in all of these. We're talking about billions in airdrops from each one of these. So yeah, the potential is there, the value is there, and I think all of these will do tremendously well. I'm a little bearish about Avantis Season 3, but given that Base airdrop is going to be happening, Avantis could be a very good target to deposit TVL. I'm also not very bullish on Paradex because it has been shrinking in total as a platform, even though that's kind of good if you want to farm it. You want it to shrink a little bit, have some hardships so you can get more points than other people. But my biggest bets right now is the first four ones. These are where I put my most focus on. Especially I'm focusing on Pacifica Extending and Lighter. I use Edgex as another delta neutral platform, and I'm also back into Based and Hyperliquid, showing them to you. Probably I will also be entering the new ASTER season and the Apex Omni season. We're going to see about it. I'm not completely sure at this point. I really don't want to dilute my attention to everything. So I'm just focusing, on the safe bets, what I feel is quite profitable. And I've covered them on previous videos. So even if your airdrops were not good from these claims, make sure to check the perpetual DEX airdrops, because these can give you a multiplier on these failed airdrops. So you make your money and time back twofold, fourfold, fivefold.